Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy a blog with Medium, beginner guide step by step clearly. To deploy a blog with Medium, begin by navigating to the Medium website. Click on the sign in button in the top right corner of the home page. If you don't have an account, select sign up to create one. You can sign up using your email, Google account, or Facebook account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Medium homepage. To create your first post, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select New Story to start writing. You'll see a blank writing page with a prompt to start typing. Add a title to your post by clicking on the space provided. Begin writing your content in the body section below the title. Make use of formatting options available at the top of the writing area. You can bold, italicize, or create lists with the toolbar. To insert images, click on the camera icon and upload the desired photo. If you want to add links, highlight the text and click the link icon in the toolbar. Once satisfied with your content, click Publish in the top right corner. A dialog will appear, prompting you to add tags. Add relevant tags to help your article reach a wider audience. After adding tags, click on the Publish Now button. Your blog post is now live and accessible to Medium's community. To view your published post, navigate back to your profile. From your profile, click on Stories to see a list of your articles. Share your post link on social media or with your network for visibility. Explore other features on Medium, such as following writers and publications. Engage with the community by reading and responding to other posts. Monitor the performance of your article through the stats section. Consistency is key, so keep writing and sharing valuable content. With practice, you'll become more proficient in your blogging journey on Medium. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.